Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I upgraded my kitchen cabinets for around $4. I got this Old English scratch cover for dark woods at Walmart, and it was under $4, under $5 for sure, and I'm using this old cloth diaper. It was never used as a diaper. I use them for burp cloths for my kids. But I like how fluffy and soft they are, and you're going to want to just rub it in till it looks saturated and wet, and then you're going to want to buff it off until it's glossy and shiny. I would also recommend wearing some kind of glove or hand protection for this project because it is some kind of a stain, and anything that stains wood is most likely going to stain your hands and your skin and your clothes and anything that you don't want stained. The directions for the Old English didn't specifically say whether or not you needed to prep the surface in any kind of way, but I at least made sure that it was free from like food or anything like that, like dirt or anything. Now, I had originally planned on covering these cabinets and drawers with some white contact paper, but when I was really looking at the surface of the wood, it looked really dry and damaged, and I wasn't sure if the wood would be damaged more by peeling off contact paper. Now, this is definitely going to need some time to dry after you coat it, so I would give it at least a day or two to just kind of completely soak in and get dry, because if you brush yourself up against it or anything like that, it's going to soak into your clothes or your skin still, so you're going to want to let it dry thoroughly. I decided this was an appropriate color for now. I'm going to let it dry for a couple days and see if it needs another coat after that, and then maybe see if it needs another coat after drying another couple days, and so on and so forth. I'd say this whole process took me about an hour, and I can anticipate it taking me even less time in the future because now I know what I'm doing, I know what to expect, and I know what I'm looking to achieve. I am so happy with this before and after look that I achieved with just the Old English. It was a lot cheaper to just buy the Old English and apply it to the cabinets than it would have been to actually apply contact paper to all of the cabinets, and I honestly think it was probably less work. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed.